been snowing. It's been snowing a lot in the UK. You probably already know that. I love snow. It is my all-time favourite weather. Bandit also loves the snow. We're going for a little trek in it right now. Man, it's so magical. It just makes everything look so cool. It gives me this really calm feeling. But everything just feels kind of peaceful, magical, ethereal. That's a good word. And it's awesome. Anyway, I've been out flying my drone in the snow a little bit. In the few flights that I've had, I've come up with a few tips, and I want to share 5 of them with you. Anyway, I've come up with a few tips and I want to share 5 of them with you. And let me just point out, a lot of these are going to be battery related because lithium-ion polymer batteries hate being cold. In fact, you will probably see the battery warning up on your screen at some point if you take it out in cold weather. So just be aware of that. Just keep an eye on that. Something to think about. Number 1. These batteries hate being cold, but if you put them in your pocket, they'll use your body temperature to keep them at a more reasonable temperature. Number 2, battery life will be reduced. Don't bitch and moan about it, it's physics. So keep a closer eye on your battery meter at the top of the screen. Number 3, your hands are going to get cold, so get some gloves. These North Face ones are awesome because they're capacitive and you need that so you can still use your phone. Number 4, make sure your batteries have been charged recently. Don't go out flying on batteries that you charged a few days ago and you think are still okay. The fresher the charge, the longer they'll last. Batteries lose power even if they're not being used, especially if they get cold. So keep them fresh. You okay? Number 5, do a quick check at the start of your flight. By that I mean go up and down, left and right, do a 360 in both directions, just make sure it's all working right. This kind of weather could really easily trigger some kind of sensor warning. So doing a check like this might help you pick it up early. Alright, Bandit hopes this video helped you in some way. If you've got any tips of your own, let me know. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I can't tell you how much I love this weather. I hope it stays. See you in the next one.